Here is a quick review for what's covered in the Adult Speech Therapy Workbook 2nd edition. First of all, the Adult Speech Therapy Workbook was written for speech therapy professionals who are new to working with adults and can be used with all patients in all settings, including acute care hospitals, SNFs, telehealth, and home health. The informational handouts and worksheets are functional and evidence-based. What's in the Adult Speech Therapy Workbook 2nd edition? Number 1, a quick review of neuroplasticity, motor learning, and differential diagnosis, among other things, because sometimes we need a refresher. Number 2, dysphagia, including adaptive dysphagia equipment, illustrated exercise handouts, and information for the patient about the Fraser-Water protocol. Number 3, aphasia, including a cueing hierarchy for expressive aphasia, communication partner strategies, and so many worksheets for reading, writing, talking, and listening. Number 4, AAC, including a participation inventory template and simple needs board. Number 5, fluency, including handouts for different types of disfluencies, self-awareness for fluency, and monologue prompts. Number 6, voice, including biofeedback training, a script for body relaxation, and word lists to practice their strategies. Number 7, resonance, things like forward-focused strategies, hypernasality, hyponasality, cul-de-sac resonance, plus more word lists, phrases, and other prompts. We'll review the other chapters like dysarthria, apraxia, memory, attention, executive functioning, and visual neglect next time. Until then, for more free resources for your patients and yourself, check out adultspeechtherapy.co. We have things like protocols for voice therapy programs and cognitive worksheets to use with your patients.